In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to JPEG in Adobe Scan. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is first create a PDF. So I'm going to tap on the camera plus button bottom middle, and here you can of course create a scan or create from photos. I'm just going to create from photos, tap on a random one, and tap on the check mark top right. Now when you do this, it's going to create a PDF for you. You can name it whatever you want, you can crop it or rotate it, whatever at the bottom, and then tap on Save PDF bottom right whenever you're ready. Now again, you can scan this, you could go and of course upload from photos, whatever you want. And whenever you do this here in the Home tab, you can see your new document, and then on the right next to it, it says Share, Save as Word Doc, and the third one is Save as JPEG. So to convert this PDF to a JPEG, simply tap on Save as JPEG, and it's going to start saving the page, and there we go, it's been saved to your photos. Alternatively, you can tap on Files bottom right, and then find the file, press on the three dots next to it, and from here you have Save Pages as JPEG as well, and that's gonna do the same thing. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.